Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to wash and clean dirty makeup brushes. Also, if you have blenders or sponges. Before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so first step, you're going to need a plastic container. If you don't have one, you can use a cup, or you can just get one at the dollar store or any store. Okay, so I'm just going to add warm water to the plastic container. Next thing you're going to need is distilled white vinegar. Also, you're going to need a spoon, so I'm just going to fill that spoon with the vinegar. The next thing you're going to need is dish soap. I'm actually using the Dawn soap, and if you're wondering why is it in this container, it's because I refill it with Dawn soap. So yeah, I just wanted to point that out. But now you're gonna mix the vinegar and the soap together. Now, as you can see, it is all mixed together. Now, what you're going to want to do is put all your makeup brushes in the plastic container where you mix all the ingredients. Now what you're going to do is let your makeup brushes sit there to 15 to 20 minutes. And now if you have beauty blenders or sponges, get another plastic container to put those in there. So just like with your makeup brushes, you're gonna let your beauty blender or your sponge soak for 15 to 20 minutes. It has been 20 minutes, so what you're gonna want to do is squeeze out the beauty blender so you can take out all that leftover makeup and then rinse it out with water.
Thinking of you, thinking of you.
Now you're going to want to pour out all that dirty water from the containers. Now you're going to rinse all your makeup brushes with water and make sure there's no leftover makeup in there as well. Now you're going to need some conditioner, so you can condition the brushes and the blenders so they can smell good.
Thinking of you, thinking of you.
So you're going to leave the brushes and the blender in the containers for 5 to 10 minutes with the conditioner. After that, you're going to want to rinse out the brushes and the blender with water. Now that your brushes and your blenders are nice and clean, you're going to let them dry overnight on a towel. So this is how they turn out. I hope this video helped you out, guys, and if it did, leave a comment down below if it did, and also like this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.